Hello and good day. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a drop using Cleanwash version 1. As usual, you have to log in, and after logging in, you click on drop. You click on drop. To the left hand side here is where all the items will be receiving from your customers will be displayed. Here the summary will be displayed, and here on the right hand side is where we'll be picking the items and modifying the items from. So first you want to add a customer. You click on the none there and select the customer. If the customer has already been added, you can filter the list by typing here, or you click on add, and let me say add another customer. The phone number is necessary and has to be unique, so I'm going to say add a customer, and when that customer has been added, I can select it and click on OK. The customer name should be displayed here. Here is the drop date and here is the ready date. The date should be the current date for the item being dropped, and the second date should be the date the item will be ready. And here are the services we must have created at the back office. So when you log in as an admin, you see back office in one of those buttons. You click on it, you go there, you click on services, and you create your services. You create your cloth items or items you will be servicing, and then you click on prices to add prices for all the service and items. After you've done that, when you click on, for example, if I click on dry cleaning, I will see the items I've added to dry cleaning. I can just pick one of them, or let's say two. Laundry also, there are other items. I want to pick shirt here, and the shirt is not displayed here, or I cannot easily find it. I can type here to filter the list and then select shirt. So after adding all the items, you can change the quantity of the items. For example, I can click on this to increase. I can click on this to change the color. You can also select and indicate the kind of starch that should be added. You can add notes here if you want to add notes. You can also select the kind of fabric. Now the application generates tags, so if you will be generating and pinning tags to the clothes before you wash them, there might not be any need for all these color changes, start and all that, but for the purpose of record keeping, you can still add them so that it is known and it is recorded or stored that this was what the customer requested. Now after I've modified the item, I've added all the items, I can now click on pay to check out or to close the transaction. By clicking on pay, I can enter the amount the person is paying. If this customer is not paying immediately, you can simply just click OK. Or if the customer wants to drop a certain amount, you can enter the amount. Let's say the person is going to drop cash 1,000. I can do that. Another way to enter figures here is by using the keyboard. You can type the figure using the numeric keys on your keyboard. It is much faster than clicking on the screen. Clicking on the screen is mostly for touch screen, and also maybe a little bit for convenience. So after entering the amount, I'm going to click on OK, and that closes this transaction. That's completes this transaction. I've completed the transaction. I've made a drop. I've recorded or received a drop item. This is how we receive a drop item. I hope this video is clear enough for you, and I also hope that it was easy enough for you to understand. If you have questions, if you have something that is not clear about, you can ask our support team, and they will be willing to clear any doubts you might have. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.